Someone decided to deposit some amount of money in the bank and to use another amount to renovate the house. The net profit he gained was 600,000 rupees and he deposited two-thirds in the bank and 20,000 rupees to renovate the house. Find the amount that someone deposited in the bank. ඒක නම් පුතේ ගණන් නෙමෙයි ඕන පොඩි එකෙක්ට පුළුවන් නේද? තුන පිච්චපන්ති ළමයින්ටත් ඒක පුළුවන්. මොකක්ද ඒක කියන්නේ? Net profit of someone is 600,000 rupees. From that he deposited two-thirds in a bank. That means 600,000 multiplied by two-thirds, 3 divided by 3, 1 and 6 divided by 3, that is 2. That means 400,000 rupees is the deposited amount. Then number 2. If the bank pays 9% interest compounded annually, find the total amount he receives at the end of the 2 years. Right. පුතේ බලන්න ඔය ප්‍රශ්නේදී exam එක වගේ types දෙකක් අහන්න පුළුවන්. එකක් මොකක්ද? Total interest එක. තව එකක් amount at the end of the second year. Right? So remember, in the lesson interest පුතේ, there are two types of interest. First one is the simple interest and the other one is the compound interest. Always in simple interest, the interest is calculated on the principal amount. That means the initial amount. Same amount of an interest portion is calculated annually. But in compound interest, we are always calculating the interest to the year end amount. That means when the time gradually increases, the interest portion is also will be increased. So to find the compound interest, always we need to find the amounts at the end of the each year. So here, at first we can say interest for the first year. Interest for the first year. How much is the interest portion, Puta? That was 9%. That means 400,000 multiplied by 9%. So what will happen here? 2 zeros to 2 zeros are getting cancelled. 9 into 4, 36. 36,000 is the amount. And at the same time, we need to find amount at the end of the first year. Amount at the end of the first year. How to find it, Pute? For the amount we have deposited in the bank, we need to add the interest. That means 400,000 plus 36,000. So how much is the answer? 436,000 rupees. Then we can find interest for the second year. So they remember, always in compound interest, the interest is calculated not for the principal amount, but for what, Pute? To the year end amount. So at the end of the first year, we are having 436,000 rupees with us. For that, we need to calculate how much is 9%. සද්දයක් දෙන්න සර්ට හොඳ බබාලා වගේ. 9 into 6. පුතේ 9 into 6 54. 5 remains. 9 into 3 27 plus 5 32. 3 remains. 9 into 4 Kendago, 9 into 4 36. 36 plus that remainder 39. So this is the amount at the end of the second year. But sorry, this is the interest for the at the end for the second year. So we need to find, this is the answer, amount at the end of the second year. So for this amount, 436,000, we need to add back that interest portion. That means, Pute, the answer will be 475,240. පුතේ මෙහෙම වටයක් යන්නේ නැතුව එක ස්ටෙප් එකකින් ඔයාට උත්තරේ ගන්නත් පුළුවන්. මේකේ ඉන්ට්‍රස්ට් රේට් එක 9% නේ පුතා. That means at the end of an year, 100 plus 9, we can take how much, Pute? 109. Right? So the invested amount is 400,000. To find the amount at the end of the first year, multiply it by 109 over 100 and to find the interest for the second year, multiply it by this. මේක ලේසි වගේ දැනනකොට පුතේ කපන්න කොටන්න ගියාම එහෙන වෙලා යනවා. ඊට වඩා ලේසි අර දන්න විදියට අර විදියට හදන් ගියා නම්. Then the next one. How much is the amount left with someone after spending for deposit and renovations? ඉතින් ඒක මම හදන්න ඕනේ නෑ නේ. 600,000 තිබ්බා. ඒකෙන් 400,000 එයා bank deposit කළා. ඊට පස්සේ 20,000 එයා renovations වලට දුන්නා. So 600,000 minus 420,000. So the answer will be 180,000 rupees. Right? So that's the answer.